Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this really crunchy crispy milk cream center. So outside layer is chocolate and inside they're saying some crunchiness, crispiness, and with milk cream it's there, and it costed me around $2.8. What else? Nothing else from the house of Chico. So let's not waste much time and open this pack. Here you go, here you go, here you go. So here are some yum sweets. Amazing. They're looking so yum. Let's open one. So this is the shape of it, and with the help of scissor, yes, scissor, I'm gonna cut it into two halves, and this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna show you pic. Yes, it looks exactly same whatever they showed in pic. Exactly, color, everything is same, and the crunchy balls are there. See over here, crunchy ball came out. Yes, some crunchiness is there. So I'm gonna taste it. Very yum. The crispy crunchy balls are coming in mouth, and this milk is very yum. Very yum. So friends, go and try them. They are very amazing, not that much costly. You're gonna just purchase it, eat it, and be happy. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.